Children, this is 6th standard maths, chapter fractions. Let us continue the lesson, that is the last exercise of this chapter fractions, exercise 7.6. First question, solve. A problem, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Both the numerators and the denominators values are different, hence they are unlike fractions. Now, we had to add such unlike fractions. The method is find out the LCM, that is least common multiple of the two denominators 3 and 7. Here 3 and 7 both are prime numbers. We know that the prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and the same number itself. Hence 3 and 7. First, let us divide by the 3. So that 3 ones are 3 and 7 as it is. Now we have 1 comma 7. So let us take 7. 7 1 as it is and 7 ones are 7. Therefore, multiply these values. 3 into 7. We got 7 3s are 21 has the LCM of 3 comma 7. Now we have 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7 and the LCM is 21 which is written in the denominator. Take 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Multiply with the LCM value that is equal to 21. Now, 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 21. Therefore, 7 into 2 or 7 twos are 14 is the answer. Right here 14 plus. Again you have here 1 by 7. Multiply with the LCM. Now we have 7 ones are 7. 7 3s are 21. 3 ones are 3. Substitute here. 14 plus 3 by 21. Add 14 plus 3. 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 by 21 will be the answer of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Now the second problem, 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. Again it is an unlike fraction, so find out the LCM of 10 and 15. So we have 10 comma 15. Now consider these two numbers. Take the least common multiple that is divisible by both the numbers. For 10 and 15, the least number will be 2. Therefore, 2 5s are 10, 15 doesn't go by 2, right as it is. Now we know 5 comma 15. Both are divisible by another prime number that is 5. So, 5 ones are 5 and 5 3s are 15. We have 1 comma 3. Now it is divisible by 3 and 1 right as it is and 3. 3 how much are 3? 3 ones are 3. Multiply these values. We have 2 into 5 into 3. Therefore, 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. Therefore, the LCM of 10 and 15 will be equal to 30. Now, take the value 3 by 10. 3 by 10 into multiply the LCM, that is 30. We know that 10 ones are 10, 10 3s are 30. Therefore, 3 3s are 9. Right here 9 plus, then you have 7 by 15, multiply the LCM. We get 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. Therefore, 7 into 2, 7 twos are 14. Therefore, we have 9 plus 14 divided by 30. On adding 9 plus 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Therefore, the answer is 23 by 30 will be the answer. Now we have to subtract the two fractions in the third problem. We have 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM of 4, 3. You have 4, 3. Both the numbers do not go by the same number, but 4 goes to by the least common number, that is 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 right as it is. Then again you have 2, 3. Let us take 2. 2 1s are 2 and 3 as it is. Then it goes by 3. 3 1 and 3 1s are 3. Multiply 2 into 2 into 3. We know that 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Therefore, the LCM will be equal to 12. Now we have 3 by 4. See the denominator 4. 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. So multiply the 3 to the numerator. So you get 3 3s are 9. Or you can follow another method, that is 3 by 4 into multiply the LCM value. Therefore, you get 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Minus, we have 1 by 3. 3 4s are 12. Multiply with the numerator. So 4 1s are 4. Therefore, we have 9 minus 4 divided by 12. We have 9. Take 4. The remaining is 5. Therefore, the answer will be equal to 5 by 12. The next problem we have 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Find out the LCM of the denominators. In the denominators we have 3, 4, 2. Find out the LCM. Here 3, 4, 2. Out of these three numbers, 4 and 2, it goes by the least number, that is 2. Therefore 2, write 3 as it is. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now out of these three numbers, let us take 2. Therefore, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2 and 1. Now, it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 1, 1. Multiply these numbers. We have 2 into 2 into 3. That will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Therefore, the LCM of 3, 4, 2 will be equal to 12. Now consider 2 by 3 and the LCM 12. 3 4s are 12. So, multiply 4 to the numerator. Therefore, 4 2s are 8 plus. Now we have the next number 3 by 4 and 12. 4 3s are 12. So multiply 3 to the numerator. You get 3 3s are 9 plus 1 by 2 and LCM you have equal to 12. Therefore 2 6 are 12. So 1 into 6 you will get the answer 6. Therefore 8 plus 9 plus 6. When you add 8 plus 9 plus 6, so 8 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 6. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Therefore, the answer will be equal to 23 by 12 will be the answer. Consider the next problem. We have 1 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3. Both the fractions are mixed fractions. Now, how to add two mixed fractions? To add two mixed fractions, we have two methods. Out of two methods, for this problem, let us use this method, and we have another statement problem, we will use another method. Now, to solve this, we know that 1 represents a whole and 1 by 3 represents a part. We have studied the formula, that is whole into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Now separate the mixed fractions. Take first 1 1 by 3 equal to whole will be equal to 1 into denominator in part 1 by 3. The 3 represents the denominator. 1 into 3 plus numerator will be equal to 1 divided by denominator 3. 1 3s are 3 plus 1 divided by 3. 3 plus 1, you will get the answer 4 by 3. Take the next fraction, that is 3 2 by 3. The whole will be equal to 3 into denominator, that is equal to 3, plus numerator value will be equal to 2 divided by 3. So we have 3 3s are 9 plus 2 by 3. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. Therefore, the value will be equal to 11 by 3. Now, we got 4 by 3 plus, in place of 3 2 by 3, we got 11 by 3. In this, we got denominators as common. Take 3. Then add the numerators. We have 4 plus 11. That will be equal to 11 plus 4. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 by 3. We know that 15 by 3, both are divisible by the same number 3. Therefore, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, the answer will be equal to 5. The next question, there is a statement problem. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon. Therefore, the length of the ribbon Sarita bought was equal to 2 by 3 meter and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. Therefore, the length of the ribbon Lalita bought is equal to 3 by 4 meter. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Therefore, we need to find out the total length of ribbon bought by Sarita and Lalita. When you have the total one word, that means we have to add the two fractions. So, we have 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Again here the denominators and the numerator values are different. Therefore, those are unlike fractions. In the unlike fractions is given, first we have to find out the LCM of the denominators 5, 4. Now we have 5, 4. Both are not divisible by the same number, but we can take the least number that is divisible will be 2. Write 5 as it is. Take 4. We know that 2 2s are 4. Now, again let us take 2. We have 5, right as it is. 2 1s are 2. Now take 5. So, 5 1s are 5. 1, right as it is. Now, multiply the values. We have 2 into 2 into 5. That will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Therefore, the LCM of 5 and 4 will be equal to 20. Now, we have 2 by 5 and the LCM 20. We know that 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. So, multiply that 4 to the numerator. So that 4 2s are 8 will be the answer. Plus, we have 3 by 4 and the LCM is 20. So, 4 how much are 20? 4 5s are 20. So, multiply that 5 to the numerator. So that we get 5 3s are 15. Therefore, now you add 8 plus 15. Let us add 15 plus 8. So that 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Therefore, the answer is 23 by 20 meters. Since the unit is meter, we have to write in the answer meter. Therefore, the total length of the ribbon together they bought will be equal to 23 by 30 meter is the answer. Take the third problem. Naina was given 1 1/2 or 1 1/2 piece of cake. So amount of cake did Naina had will be equal to 1 by 2 or 1.5. And Najma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Therefore, the amount of cake did Najma had will be equal to 1 by 3. Now, find the total amount of the cake was given to both of them. Therefore, we need to find out the total amount of cake was given to both of them. So, we need to add two fractions. The two fractions are in the form of mixed fractions. So, now let us add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. We studied how to add those mixed fractions in one of the method. And I mentioned there that we will solve another method for this mixed fraction. The method is, we know that 1 represents a whole and 1 by 2 represents the part. So, multiply the whole with the part of the denominator. That means 2 ones are 2. Then add 2 to the numerator of the part. That becomes 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3. Write the denominator value as it is. Therefore, 3 by 2. Plus, now 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, it is 4 by 3. Now we have 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3. Again, numerators and the denominators of the two fractions are different. The method followed is find out the LCM of 2 and 3. Now, 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. So, either by 1 or by the same number they are divisible. So, let us take 2 ones are 2, retain 3 as it is. Now take 3, 1 and 3 ones are 3. When you multiply 2 into 3, you will get the value equal to 6. Therefore, the LCM of 2 and 3 will be equal to 6. Now, 3 by 2 and LCM you have 6. We know that 2 3s are 6. Multiply with the numerator. 3 3s are 9. Plus, we have 4 by 3 and 6 is the LCM. 3 2s are 6. So, 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. Now we have 9 plus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Therefore, we have 17 by 6. Now, we have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction because in the question, there is a mixed fraction. So, the final answer, we will convert it into a mixed fraction. We know that when an improper fraction is given, we have to do the division method. So, when you divide 17 by 6, we know that 6 2s are 12. 7 minus 2, the remainder value will be equal to 5. We know that to write this in a mixed fraction, we have one formula. Quotient into remainder divided by divisor. And hence we have 2 has a quotient value, 5 has a remainder value and 6 has the divisor value. So, let us write 2 quotient into remainder, that will be equal to 1 by divisor, that is equal to 6. Therefore, we have 2 1 by 6 as the answer. Therefore, total amount of the cake was given to both of them, that is Naina and Najma, will be equal to 2 1 by 6 is the final answer.